Our 31-inch black restaurant dining table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 31.5 inches. Depth, we also have at least 31.5 inches. On the back, retractable legs, left and right. And the height of the entire table, we have 29.1/8 inches. The bottom to the top of the base holding the table itself will be 26.75 inches. And the height for the main table itself is at least 1.5 inches. Our 31-inch black restaurant dining table. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on its product. Thank you.